Is hunger holding you back from losing weight? Hi, I'm Danna Demetre, veteran health coach and the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. We've been using Lovidia for over 3 years with our clients to help improve their intermittent fasting and maintain lasting weight loss. Jackie, one of our current clients, finds that taking Lovidia first thing in the morning helps her sail through the day without hunger until she's ready to break her fast. Then later in the day, taking Lovidia ensures that she's comfortably satiated, especially into those challenging evening hours. In a 13-week clinical study with 52 participants, Lovidia, in conjunction with an intermittent fasting protocol, resulted in an average 14-pound weight loss, and most participants saw significant improvement in their blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. And with Lovidia on board, participants were more likely to stick to their fasting schedule. Lovidia controls hunger and lowers blood sugar naturally. Try Lovidia today. It's a perfect partner for the fasting lifestyle.